Procida with me. I'm here for a one-day trip. Let's see what we can do. I found this most Instagrammable spot here. It's somebody's front door. But beautiful, isn't it? Let's go to the beach. It's steaming hot. I already say that one day is not enough. Oh, we're swimming. Beautiful. I'm gonna take a dip. So we are at the beach, 30-40 Celsius and turquoise glittering water, ice cream, Italy, sun, holiday. Always covering up myself, hat, sunglasses, plus 50 sunscreen, cover-ups. But I'm gonna enjoy some sun too. I was just swimming for 45 minutes at least and I want to go again. You have followed my vlogs. When I talk about a beach that I like, beach, long, sandy beach, shallow turquoise water. And here you can also see Ischia and Capri. Diamonds, the sea is full of diamonds. Beautiful. I wish the summer never ends. It's almost eternal summer here in Italy, almost. In my opinion, it's from April until the end of October. Okay, I'm gonna take this camera back to the beach and go to swim one more time. Found a very nice art gallery here by Luigi Nappa. I I can sense the Procida feeling in these paintings. Pastel colors, love it. That's so cute, the one with the fish and seashells. I could take that. It's a nice vibe. Nice Mediterranean vibe.
Born in Procida quite a while ago. Be born in Procida, you finish to swim, to be able to swim very well before you start to walk. Painting for me has been something to do since I was a kid. I was maybe 3 or 4 years old and I started painting. By that I was going ahead, I started to like. My career has been quite different. I wanted to be an actor, but I couldn't, so I became a sea captain of a cruise ship, and also in a certain way I was acting with so many passengers on board. I've been all around the world. I've been cruising east and west of the America, Mediterranean, and in the end I finished in Australia, finding a new destination in all the South Pacific, Southeast Asia. And still I'm doing that sort of a job. Well, Procida is so small, it's difficult to identify a small place in a small place. But I like Procida because here are all my friends, all my parents, and so on. Now, because I've started to work as a captain, I've gone all around the world, but this doesn't mean that the other part of the world is better than Procida. All the birds, all the animals go back to the native place. And after Australia, I'm coming here to Procida. Now I'm going back to Australia, but maybe for a short while, come back to Procida for the rest of my life.
Wow. How would you describe the atmosphere in Procida?
Well, it's quite cool, quiet. Lots of tourists enjoy this environment. We are quite grateful that the people come and visit Procida. They identify some beauties which we have been all the time sitting on without recognizing that it was a beautiful place. Procida, it is just like your first love. You might find the other girls even more beautiful or intelligent than the first one, but the first one, it is all the time the one that ever marked something on your heart difficult to remove. So Procida is for us love.
Face full of freckles, sea salt in the hair. Tells a lot. It's been a beautiful day. Well, it feels like color therapy. Pastels everywhere. A good day for me is when I get to shoot photos and videos, get to swim, talk with the locals. My heart is full. Now it's time to say goodbye for this island. I will definitely come back. I'm gonna take the good energy with me wherever I go.